He is confused about using a, on, the.
The.
I'll tell you the secrets.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Luna and Leo. So, Leo, what are you reading today?
I'm reading a book. It's an interesting book.
Oh, the book on your table?
Yes, the blue book. It has a good story.
Nice. You just used articles naturally.
A book, an interesting book, the blue book.
Today, we make these small words easy to understand. Today, we demystify 3 tiny words.
A, an, and the.
Articles confuse almost every English learner.
When do I use a? When an? When the?
Many learners say, I never know which one.
Don't worry. Today we give you simple rules.
Clear guidelines, easy to remember. If articles frustrate you, breathe deeply.
Even advanced learners sometimes hesitate.
But today, you'll get clarity.
Please like this video if articles confuse you.
Share with friends and subscribe for more.
All right, let's conquer a, an, and the.
The 4 rules, let's understand the core idea.
Articles are like name tags for nouns.
They tell your listener what you're talking about,
Are you introducing something new?
or talking about something specific. So, simply, articles answer one question.
How familiar is my listener with this thing?
New information? Use a or an.
Specific known thing? Use the.
That's the heart of it. Let me say it clearly.
A/an equals first time mentioned or any one of many.
The equals specific thing both people know about.
New versus known.
General versus specific. Let's start with a and an.
They mean the same thing, but sound different.
The choice depends on sound, not spelling.
Listen to the first sound of the next word.
Use a before consonant sounds.
Examples with a.
A book, b sound, consonant.
A car, k sound, consonant.
A university, y sound, consonant.
Even though university starts with U, it sounds like you.
Use an before vowel sounds.
Examples with an.
An apple, a sound, vowel.
An hour. H is silent, starts with ow sound, vowel.
An honest person, h silent, starts with o sound.
An umbrella. U sound, vowel.
Common confusion points.
A European country. Sounds like y, consonant.
An FBI agent, f sounds like f, vowel sound.
A one-way street. Sounds like W, consonant.
Always listen, don't just look at the letter. So remember for a versus an.
Close your eyes. Listen to the sound.
Consonant sound is a.
Vowel sound, an.
Sound matters, not spelling. Let's pause and review.
We learned about a and an.
They mean one non-specific thing.
Choice depends on sound of the next word.
Consonant sound is a book, a car. Vowel sound is an apple, an hour.
Always listen to the sound.
Now let's understand the. Now the definite article the.
The means specific thing.
Both speaker and listener know which one.
Or there's only one in existence.
First use, something already mentioned.
I saw a cat. The cat was black.
First time, a cat, new information. Second time, the cat. We know which cat. Second use, only one exists.
The sun is bright today.
The moon is beautiful tonight.
The earth revolves around the sun.
Only one sun, moon, earth use the. Third use, specific with context.
Close the door, please.
Which door? The door in this room.
I'm going to the bank.
Which bank? The bank I usually go to.
Context makes it specific.
Fourth use, superlatives and ordinals.
She is the tallest in the class.
This is the best coffee I've had.
He lives on the second floor.
Superlative, best or tallest, or ordinal, first or second, is the. So remember for the.
Specific, known, or unique things.
Both people know about.
Or there's only one.
Now let's clarify common confusions.
These exceptions confuse many learners.
First confusion, jobs and nationalities.
She is a doctor. A plus job.
He is an engineer. An plus job.
I want to be a teacher.
But she is American. No article for nationality as adjective.
He is Japanese. No article.
Second confusion, meals and places.
I had breakfast. No article usually.
Let's have lunch.
But the breakfast was delicious. Specific breakfast.
I'm going to school as a student.
But I'm going to the school as a visitor to the building.
Third confusion, general versus specific.
I love music. Music in general. No article.
I love the music in this restaurant. Specific music.
Cats are cute. All cats. No article.
The cats in my neighborhood are friendly. Specific cats. Now let's hear articles in natural conversation. Two friends planning their day.
I need to buy a new phone.
Oh, really? What kind of phone?
An iPhone. The one I have is old.
There's an Apple store in the mall.
The mall on Main Street?
Yes, that mall. It has a good selection.
Great. Let's meet at the entrance in an hour.
Notice the flow. A new phone, first mention any phone.
An iPhone starts with vowel sound.
The one I have, specific phone.
An Apple store. First mention vowel sound.
The mall, specific mall both know.
The entrance. Specific entrance of that mall.
Let's make this super practical now.
When you're choosing an article, ask these questions.
Question 1. Is this a specific thing we both know?
If yes, use the.
If no, go to question 2.
If yes, use a or an. Listen to sound.
If no, maybe no article needed. Memory trick. Think S-A-N-D.
S. Specific, then the.
A before consonant sounds.
An before vowel sounds.
D, decision made. S-A-N-D for article decisions. Now, your turn to practice.
First, complete this. I saw blank owl in blank tree. Owl starts with vowel sound. Tree is specific.
Second, complete this. She wants to be blank doctor. Blank doctor helps people.
Write your answers in the comments below.
We read every comment and give feedback.
Articles take practice. Be patient with yourself.
Please like this video if it made articles clearer.
Share with friends who also struggle with articles.
And subscribe for more grammar made simple.
Remember, even native speakers sometimes pause with articles.
But now you have clear guidelines. Keep practicing. We'll see you next time.